What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I have some great news. One of the stocks that I own, Wendy's, they just increased their quarterly dividend by 29%. So basically, this is a stock when I started my dividend portfolio. I wanted to attack kind of the fast food sector. McDonald's is a great stock. Yummy Brands is a great stock. Those are two good ones. But I really wanted to attack a stock that was down and I wanted to capitalize on. And that stock is Wendy's, which I'm going to do a quick stock and dividend analysis, show you how it's done against the S&P and show you its dividend history, because I find this stock very interesting and I'm glad I have a ton of shares in them. I have previous videos on them, but I will show you how many shares I own with them. And I'm going to continue to reinvest my dividends. I like what I see. So let's just jump to its stock and dividend analysis right now. So in the past few years, Wendy's took a little bit of a hit. They were right in line with the S&P, but it's at $20.43. This is a stock that has a very good opportunity for dividend investors. Now, it's not going to give you a really good bang for your buck at the moment, but this is a stock that's down, okay? You want to get stocks that are down. This is not one that I would consider putting on my traditional or Roth IRA. Look at this huge dip. Holy moly, right here. That is a huge dip right there. But let's look at this. Let's see, how much was that? $10. So Wendy's took a huge nosedive when the pandemic hit. Obviously, you can see the S&P as well. But it took a nosedive right during a recession. It was just holding on an arm and a leg at $4. Can you imagine getting that at $4? And now it's like right at $20.43. So it's starting to peak again, okay? This is a stock that is increasing its price and increasing its dividend over time. And I'm going to show you its dividend history real quick. First of all, it's a fast food restaurant. Wendy's is always busy, okay? They're expanding. They're not going anywhere, okay? They are their own, basically, restaurant. They're going against McDonald's. McDonald's is a great stock. Yummy Brands is another stock that are great dividend stocks. But let's look at its dividend history and its increases, because this is a stock that's down, okay? It's increasing its dividend over time, which we love as dividend investors. You want growth. You want to see things improve and get bigger. And then I'll tell you what my long-term plans are with Wendy's. So let's jump to its dividend history real quick. Okay, this is a stock that took a little bit of a nosedive, okay? It was 12 cents, and it jumped down to 5 cents. It's at 7. It'll probably get back to 12 where it was. But this is a nice stock that gives off a quarterly dividend. This is a little bit on my conservative side, so I wanted to get a little conservative on some stocks in the long run. Now I'm like super aggressive. This is kind of like when I was a newbie, and I got these guys when they were down, but they're increasing their dividend, and I like to see that. And with the fast food industry, it's always in demand. Gluttony is a sin. It's just always going to be in demand. So this is one that, a 1.38% dividend yield at the moment, okay? But this stock has a ton of potential of growing, getting bigger, and increasing its dividend over time. So where, eventually it'll start going to 20 cents and then just improving. So I like where I'm at right now, and I'm going to jump to my E-Trade dividend portfolio. So I just want to let you know, I will show you what the next stock I'm buying. I actually sold a few stocks, okay? And I'll explain to that in the next video that we have. Hopefully this weekend I'm going to try to squeeze it in. But I really am excited. If you see AGNC, I have it down. I sold it. I made a little bit of money, and I'm going to start buying it again. But I got Wendy's right up now at 39 shares, okay? It's a little stagnant, but again, this is a stock that over time will increase its dividend. Look at what Carnival did for me. Can't wait till that starts getting bigger. But Wendy's it's just something that I think is a nice conservative stock that will increase its dividend over time. It's just going to get better. It's a huge fast food company. I'm glad I put money in that. I'm going to leave it alone. Eventually, I'll probably try to get to $1,000 for its value, and then just leave it alone and see what happens. KeyBank, if you notice, I still have KeyBank there, but I did get Regions Financials and Huntington Bank shares. I got rid of those guys. I want this other stock that I will show you in a little bit what I bought. So I'm very excited to buy this new stock. It's going to reveal very nice dividend. It's going to compound. It's down. I need to capitalize on it. I looked at it doing a stock and dividend analysis. I'd be crazy not to get it right now. So let's just see how much Wendy's estimated will give me for income. Now this is estimated at $2.78. Whoop-de-doo. But again, it's increasing its dividend. It's going to start getting bigger and bigger. It's stagnant. Okay. Maybe I'm considering buying a few extra shares on it to really get the ball rolling, but it's down. It's increasing its dividend over time. It's going to start getting back up there. So I like what I see. I'm going to hold, obviously, and start reinvesting those dividends over time. Maybe buy, 2 or 3 shares, make sure I get to 40 or 45 shares and just leave it alone, because that's when it's going to get really exciting. So let me know what you think of this video. Again, this is kind of exciting news about Wendy's increasing its dividend. I wanted to post a video on that. And let me know what you think of this video. Do you like Wendy's? Is it not one of your stocks? Let me know. And, I posted a previous video with Pfizer. I have another one that I wanted to do for you guys. But again, let me know what you think. And you guys have been fantastic on this channel. 4,000 subscribers strong, 4,000 dividend warriors. You guys have been fantastic. I love you guys to death. I'm making more videos for you guys. This is what you want to see. I even stock and dividend analysis in stocks I don't own. So it's really exciting to do these stock and dividend analysis videos. So you guys take care and have a good Monday and take care. I just said take care again. Geez, how about have a good Monday and be safe and be healthy and happy. Thank you.